Exploding Wilds.
Exploding Wilds with Kei Shen. Kei Shen's Dragons. Kei or Kai? I don't know.
I would say Kai.
Kai Shen Dragons. We're going to do nickels. We're going to do 45 of them, a spin for a few of them at least to see if we can. Oh, look at that. Wow, I like those exploding random flames. See if we can do that again. See him writing his, oh, it doesn't happen every time. Oh, I hate that. I don't know how long that dragon can fly with that pot on his back. It's definitely heavy. He's going to crash and burn.
That's how the coins are like fluid. They're not like solid.
Well, it's a jello mold.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Wild, wild, wild. That would have been a good one with the coins on there.
Is he wild?
No, he's not wild. Unfortunately. All right, what are we looking for? We saw those throw down. These must be good. You must need 3 of those. Right?
It looks like it, yeah.
Probably.
Or they're worth more. Alright.
Big win! Where's the multiplier when you need it? That's okay. Oh, come on, luck has arrived! Look at that little thing he's got coming off his head there. Looks like they like crank it and like a transformer. There's a good one. Oh, they hit the dragon in the head, didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, we had 6 of him. So
I know. Oh, nothing doing. Yeah. We got 1 magic hat. And 2 more.
Hat or a pot?
I call it a hat. It's probably a pot, but it makes you think of one of those like paper boats that you fold up and float in the water. Well, we got 3 of him. That's not the magic trick. We know that now. And we also know he's not wild. Ooh.
Come on.
Oh, look how many of them there are. Oh my gosh, that sucks.
Oh, there we go. Could have been better.
Well, hey, that gives us some more spins. I was going to say, we should quit this mess. But we'll do some more. See if we can get something going. Oh, there you go. Oh, wasted flaming coins. Do it again.
Here's again.
Oh, it's such a peaceful, serene game. Oh, throw down, dragon, throw down. Oh, well, we'll do to 140. And if we don't get anything by then, we'll go to 130.
Okay. That's usually the progression of money going down.
I want to win. I want to win.
We need to see it.
I know. I mean, I guess because it's a high minor and a big major, it's probably a little bit further apart. Oh, well, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yes!
Okay, so we now know
It's 3 of these.
3 of those hats.
Yeah.
Golden
Hats,
hats.
golden hats, magic pots. You know. Oh.
I think it wants to do it.
Well, so are we going to go further then to make it do it?
Yes.
All right, well. Got to ride that wave of disaster before you can have success. Just like the dragon. What?
That's not a line.
It doesn't say game over. How is that not a line?
Yeah, that kind of stinks.
Yeah.
I don't like that. All right.
faster.
Come on.
Crashing and burning with the dragons. Oh no. Oh, he's so happy up there. Oh, look at the red. See? That's the difference between winners and losers.
Now let's see.
Woo! What's that
What do we
mean?
get?
Dragon spin, dragon spin, dragon spin.
Rocket.
Oh. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I'm glad we got it.
Yes.
All right, press, spin, or touch the screen. All right.
See what you can do for us.
All right, let's tap to
Look how
collect.
cute they are. Oh.
Pick me. Sleeping dragon. Don't want to wake him up. Big win. Lots of nickels. Gonna have a full car driving home today. We'll have a dragon and we'll have like nickels pouring out the exhaust pipes. All right, well, I don't know if I was picking or what.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
We got a good line here. All right.
Oh, that puts
our
us
money
back.
back.
Yeah.
Put us
That's
back.
the way it's supposed to work. We'll do a couple backup spins and see if we can light it up again.
Wow. That was different.
Yeah, I don't know. Was I actually picking stuff or?
I don't know. I mean, his thing is still pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, I think that. Oh! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Throw down! Throw down!
Oh, look how close he gets.
I know. Whoa, he's all intense. We might get 3 of those.
All right.
Well.
You won 40 cents.
Yep. Well, there you go. K-Shen. Magic Dragons. Well, here we go again. Our favorite firecracker game. Baoju. Baoju? You all know it. I don't need to explain it.
Okay.
Firecrackers. Baoju. Zhao Fu.
Bonus.
All right. So we're going to play nickels. We are chasing a triple pop bonus or a line pin or anything. Or anything. Hopefully something before we go down too far. Because this game has not been our friend, but sometimes it is. Sometimes it just goes. You know, we played this the other day, we got a triple pop. And it was like a good 30-second delay between the time that you got the triple pop to the time the game woke up to actually activate the bonus feature. Which is pretty funny because we were like sitting there going like, how did we lose this thing? But then really it was just like a processing issue. Which made it kind of exciting and fun. The long dramatic pause.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. There you go. That'll do it. Kaboom! Oh, look at that. These little pink guys that are wild. Extra spins. Yeah, that's 4 pots. That's almost our money back. Come on, Red. Come on, Red. Bop. Bop, 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 bop. There you go. Oh. Or maybe it's not. Maybe there's just a long dramatic pause again. It's so fun when it actually does go. Because you know what it sounds like. It's like that bump, 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 bump to step up. Oh. Oh, come on, Firecrackers. Do your thing. This is your season.
I know. If Not today. Oh.
When we used to live in Pacifica, and in Pacifica, you know, it's well known that you can do fireworks on the beach, but it's safe and sane ones. But in the neighborhoods, that's where it's a free-for-all. And we would sit at our house and collectively in our neighborhood on the 4th of July, and it would be a show from sundown to about 2 in the morning. Thousands and thousands of dollars of fireworks. If you ever get a chance to experience a Pacifica 4th of July, it's definitely worth checking out. But you really need to know somebody that lives there so they can get into the neighborhood side of it. Because if you go down to the beach and you're launching stuff at the beach, you know, it's all controlled. If you do anything illegal, you're kind of hosed. But it's a really good time in the neighborhood. So everyone has a party out. They bring their barbecues to their driveways. And there you go. What's wrong with you?
Now he wants to do it.
Oh. This game must not appreciate the 4th of July.
A fireworks
Oh, yeah.
game that doesn't appreciate what
It's heating up. We should play that one game where it's all like blinged out with red, white, and blue. And man,
I think it wants it.
it is. It will. It's like Mystery of the Lamp. You get a little shake going.
Oh,
Then all of a
look at
sudden
those
your
lights.
problems are over and luck has arrived. But it's hard to get a bonus when you're not even getting rockets.
Yeah.
Bop, 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 bop. Here it comes. It's been kind of crappy line hits too. Yeah, it's been like crappy line hits too. Oh! Wasted wild. Dang it. Oh, there it is. That has to be it.
Gosh.
Oh. There you go. Well, that's the zone boost.
Zone boost.
All right.
It is possible to get a bonus in a bonus.
Yeah.
I think, right? Or not. Well, let's just see what happens and find out. Whoa. Okay.
All right.
These are good. These are good. We need those 5X filled. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. One. Anything. All right. So we got this one. And we got this one looking good. These are still far away. Let's try at least.
Big number. Big number.
Oh
Big number.
no! Hey, one at a time is fine by me. Now, when you fill this up, does the multiplier get bigger?
Oh, I don't know.
We'll find out. All right, it's full.
Yeah.
Nothing happened.
No. Oh, I saw a word.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, I'll take the word.
Yeah. 5X.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
Come on. Save it. Save it. Yeah. Woo. That was exciting.
Keep it going.
Oh, this is a good bonus now.
Yeah. All right. Some light.
Yeah. There is something going on in there. All right, here we go. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up. Not a lot. Bow, Zhu, Zhao, Fu with the bonus boost. Alright, 72.50 and a 240 bet. We're still down for the count though.
Yeah.
So we won 1,400 nickels. And we'll do a couple, see if we can improve on that.
Ready.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of in payout mode. Oh, there you go, there you go. Oh, it's so fun when it's just like a little bit and goes all the way. All you need is one. Ugh, I hate lacing wilds.
Come on.
Big one.
Oh. There's only one left. Look, there's only one topper left.
Yeah. What are we gonna do? We're gonna call it or we're gonna do some more?
Last one.
Last one? Oh no, here we go. Ugh. There you go. Oh, good one. Oh man. How nice would that have been? That probably would have been 5 times that. Get all the way across. Oh, wilds everywhere. I mean, at least it's a good looking wild.
Excuse me, may I have your attention, please? Jen Abbott, would you come get services, please?
Uh-oh, well, that's the end. Well, we tried.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Our favorite firework game kind of didn't let us down, but it kind of finished down. At least we got one. Not shabby. Time for Magic Treasures, Tiger Edition. We also have Dragon one, but we picked this one because the money ball pot has 7 and it's looking pretty good. So we'll at least try that. We're just gonna do pennies, $1.20 a spin. Apparently you can't adjust the volume. Well, we'll just have to be the music.
It's supposed to be pressing it harder. Doesn't it?
Oh, come on. Well, I'll be the backbeat. Boom, 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 boom. Dragon, dragon, dragon. Oh, there, it worked now. Maybe I was just pushing it too hard. That's a $30 miner on the table. Oh. Well, we didn't get anything on our side, but people around us are. We've had no money balls yet. But free games would be good. Jackpot bonus would be good too. There's lots of coins. There's more coins than the one next to us. That's okay. Oh man. Oh, that feels pretty good. Man, there's a lot of words that come up on this one. But we're missing that money ball. Tiger attack! Roar! Oh, come on. Well, we played this before. It usually goes, when we played it, it doesn't have to go all the way up to 18, but somewhere in between that, after 10 usually. But so far, nothing doing, not even a line hit. I don't know. Tiger seems like he's afternoon siesta. He just killed a big animal, kind of resting on his laurels now. Oh, there you go. Triple money ball. Well, that just brought us up to 10. That's a lot more respectful than 7. All right, so now we're all in. We gotta go for it. games. Free games supporting money balls.
That's nice.
Yeah. This has penny machines. They kind of get you. So when this is ready,
Oh, there's one more.
did we get it? I hope we did. When we're ready, this lid will close. They'll throw down everything that's inside of it onto the screen. Throw those 10 down. I kind of compare it to like a Regal Riches in a way, where he throws down the wilds every once in a while. You gotta work your way up for him. We need somebody to wake us up.
Oh my God!
I'm tired like the tiger's tired. Oh, sleepy. I need like a lot of action to get us going. You know, something where it's like, oh, we're picking
Yeah.
and we're like one away from the grand, knowing that we're gonna get the mini, but we get suckered into it every time, and it's so exciting. Because for a second, like your insides say, I got a chance at this. You know, why not me? And then that third mini pops up and you're like, oh, well, that's reality setting back in. We knew we had no chance from the beginning. Oh, come on, Magic Treasures.
Give us something. Every game.
Yeah. We haven't seen free games, we just got the money balls. We usually play until we get the money balls.
Don't let anyone steal my phone.
Oh. But you gotta fight through that dead spot to get there. Alright. So now we are at 11 money balls. Free games is still there. Plenty of crap on top for the jackpot bonus. We're running out of excuses not to win. Everything's lining up. Oh, we're up to 12. Yeah. Now at $1.20, when that money ball closes, I don't know what the average payout is. We haven't played it that much to keep track of that kind of thing. All right, lucky 13. With the 2x multiplier. We should have enough money to get up to that. Right? I hope so. 14. Say we get up to the lid closing, we get half our money back. It's okay. Oh. Free game. Oh, free game's getting bigger. Lots of tigers on the table. Yeah, it's starting to get a little going. So with the jackpot bonus, all jackpots are available on all bets, and you can win up to a 5x multiplier. On the free games, you can get a different set of balls. Oh, that looks really good. Good Lord.
Does anything happen to those?
No?
I guess it just adds to it.
They're just only when they go up there. They're just teasers otherwise.
Like if you get the money ball.
Yeah, you have to have the money ball to get anything. Otherwise, it's just still like, oh, hey, look at all that crap. All right, 15. I think we're 3 away, right? 18 or 19? You waiting? No, I guess not. Yeah. What I need is luck to arrive, not a drink. Yeah, maybe some people would say getting a drink is luck arriving. Oh, God sakes. Golden Toad. All right, here we go. We need those free games though. And we need a jackpot bonus. We won't be too pleased if we get the money balls first though. Right? I mean, I guess it doesn't matter the order. Right? If you get the free games first or the money balls. Because they're kind of independent of each other.
They are. They're usually,
Oh!
there's a nice time there.
Yeah.
I would guess that if you got the money ball, then you would stop changing free.
Probably. Depending on how good those money balls were though, we might stay longer. Ooh. Meow. You hear a karma cat in the background. Meow. Ugh. Jackpot bonus. Do the jackpot bonus. There's 3 exciting different bonuses to choose from. Yeah. Oh. It's only $30 for the minor. Yeah, this is the only problem when you play at pennies is when you do get anything good. Or all the rewards are still pennies. And you still take your money just as easily. Yay! Wow, alright. So that is the mini and the minor. I don't even know why we did that. Yeah. Alright, well that's cool. That's a good line hit. I don't know, but that gives us definitely enough now to get the money balls, which should give us a decent recovery. That was cool though, the random mini and a minor. I wish it was worth more, but you can't complain. Getting anything is better than nothing. It says the tiger above the reels may randomly award stuff. So he hasn't done that yet.
Oh, come on.
Oh. We are mowing through. We started off with 7 money balls. We're up to 15. We're getting close to the time where it has to pay. So we can't really walk away and set the table for somebody else. That would be a mistake. Right? I mean, you can't 15 balls on the table. Big win! Alright. So you have to have at least 3. Yeah. Alright, and that's Magic Treasures Tiger. If you have consecutive balls, they do pay. We are seeking a jackpot bonus. Oh, that's why we got the other one. Because there's... Yeah, duh. We just play. We don't know what we're doing. We will always take the money when they give it to us. We may not always know why. Oh. There we go. There we go. There we go. I don't know. Jackpot bonus. Jackpot bonus. Oh no! That's what we didn't want. Yeah, hopefully there's some good stuff in there.
Oh, there's a maxi.
Maxi, 75.
That's great.
How much is that? $75.
Nice. Oh, another mini.
Woohoo!
Good word.
One more word. One more word. One more word. One more word.
Oh. Thank you.
Hey, that's a big win. That's a bell ringer. Woo! Massive win. Incredible win. All right. So we have gotten the mini, the maxi, and the minor on this game. Yeah. All right, that's great. So now the money balls are empty. The free games are still full. The jackpot bonus is still loaded. But I don't think we're going to play it down, are we? Free games would have been fantastic. It can happen on the next spin, though. It can happen on the spin. Or this one. I know. That was great. Well, it's up to 15. Where are you going to do it next? Close, 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 close. All right, well, I think this is probably the last spin. All right, well, that's Magic Treasures Tiger Edition. We got the Tiger bonus, we got the money balls to come out, and we got the mini, the maxi, and the minor. Pretty cool. All right, well, for our biggest fan who follows us religiously, we're going to choose the Arizona Cardinals. Oh my God. But here we go. We got some free play. We're going to do the $3 a spin and see if we can get a touchdown, because Lord knows they can't do it in real life. All right, let's do it.
Welcome to NFL Super Bowl Jackpots.
Okay.
Okay, we need those coin things.
All right, so we're looking for diamonds, coins, hot dogs, touchdowns.
Oh, come on,
Oh.
another coin. Free games.
Yeah. So this is a consecutive coin bonus kind of game. Oh, man. Yeah, we haven't done the clutch
There we go.
coins. Oh. Oh, there we go. Free game, free game, free game, free game, free game. Oh. I really thought the machine would feel sorry for the Cardinals.
Oh, look at that minor.
I mean, when you're in the division with the 49ers, you don't really have that much of a chance. You could be a wild card team, you could make a dent, you could be a spoiler. But I don't think you're going far. Ugh.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. There's our free games. There's our free games. There's our free games. Ugh.
Wants to do it.
Man! Come on, Cardinals. Oh no, I did $20 a
Did you
spin.
really? Oh, too many credits.
It's so close. I didn't mean to.
Press that one.
Oh. Well,
Well, now we have to get it back.
I know. Shoot. I didn't
Come on,
want to.
Cardinals, come on back for us. Feel bad for us.
Where's that diamond bonus?
Anything.
Oh.
Oh, there we go. Going all the way across.
There you go. Yeah. 10 spins.
All right.
Come on, Niners.
Get it back. for
Show
us.
you're better. Do better. Oh my god, I wish it was football season. I love the Giants, but it's just not the same as football. Oh, the beat's picking up. The cheerleaders are on the field. Oh, come on.
Up here.
Yeah. Those diamonds, man. It's the Niners' favorite color.
Hey, it's time to pick up. Oh, look at
Oh. Power play, power play, power play, power play, power play! All the way, 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 all the way. Oh. Oh. Words, words, words. Yeah, oh, thank you, Niners, for not letting me down. All right.
All right.
Now let's see the jackpot wheel.
Jackpot wheel.
We've wanted to see this one.
And the wheel.
Oh.
Look how big that is.
All right, so what's the lowest thing on there?
Halftime.
The mini times 3? Mini times 3?
Big. Nothing big.
Yeah.
Here we go. This crowd is
Oh,
really
dear.
in the game.
Come on, go, 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 go. Oh, oh, these are all good. These are all good. Oh,
One of two.
all right, that's cool. So we're gonna check this.
And that's would have been great.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Monitor awarded.
Oh, no, it is. No, it's just minor times 3. It's just the player.
Why is there so many credits? All right. Well, that's a nice win for the Niners. We got to do the jackpot wheel. We still get all this stuff too. Big Fred Warner. Maybe that's the problem, is we were playing offense on this game and not defense. Or some people say special teams, man. Special teams makes the biggest difference in the world for everything. Big win! Oh no!
Get ready for the 2-minute drill. Let's do those games.
Oh, that would have been good! Wow, that was like a crappy finish. Well, we did 2-minute drill. We got the jackpot wheel. Diamond, collect. But that was exciting. So we did a Super Bowl jackpot. We did the jackpot wheel. We did a $20 spin, which resulted in a loss. And then we got the 2-minute drill. Some good action. There we go. Yeah, it's been a while since we played a little goldfish. We got the purple fish bonus. Let's see if we can get something for dinner. Oh, did we get it? Oh, I love it when you get the fish in the fish. All right, little fishies. Deliver. Oh, where's the multiplier wild? Where's the multiplier wild? Big win! Incredible win! It's okay win. Especially for a goldfish game. Alright, well, we did have that one time where we got all 3 fish to go at once. We were betting 60 cents and we drove it up to like $100. That's the one you want right there. Oh, we need big fish, big fish, big fish. Yeah, it was kind of a waste of wild. And it became a waste of a multiplier. There you go. That's the guy you want right there. Fish inside that guy. Alright, we got 3 spins left. Let's see if we can get a little bit better. Oh! I love those multiplier wilds though. That's where the cash is made. Alright, last spin. Get those fish out here. What? The fish didn't show up for the last spin? Big win! That's a super big win. Oh, it would be too much to ask for. Still fun. We love the goldfish game.